The Great Pyramid. The secret history hid. More than 4,000 years ago. While most civilizations were still learning how to farm, a structure appeared in Egypt that seemed to have been built thousands of years ahead of its time. The Great Pyramid. A construction of this size, with this level of precision, still baffles scientists today. The greatest pyramid humanity has ever known. Massive stone blocks weighing millions of tons, arranged with almost impossible accuracy. But the real question is not, how was the Great Pyramid built? The more dangerous question is, why was it built in the first place? They say the Great Pyramid was just a tomb. A massive mausoleum for a pharaoh who died thousands of years ago. This is the official story, repeated in books, movies, and museums. But there's a problem. No confirmed mummy has ever been found inside the Great Pyramid. No funerary inscriptions cover its walls like in other Egyptian tombs. Not even conclusive evidence that it was ever used as a burial place. So if it wasn't a tomb, then what was it? The original height of the pyramid was approximately 146 meters. It was built from over 2 million stones, some weighing dozens of tons. And what's astonishing, is that the stones are so perfectly aligned that a thin razor blade can barely fit between them. How did a civilization that lived over 4,500 years ago achieve this? In an era with no cranes, no steel, no engines. The traditional explanation says thousands of workers dragged the stones up massive ramps. But even today, there is no single agreed-upon explanation that fully describes the process. In fact, some modern engineers say that rebuilding the pyramid with the same precision today would be a monumental project even with our current technology. The Great Pyramid is aligned to true north with astonishing precision. The orientation error is no more than tiny fractions of a degree. As if its builders possessed an unexpectedly advanced knowledge of astronomy. But even stranger than that, the pyramid's location on Earth's surface holds a numerical secret. Its latitude is 29.9792 degrees north. This number almost perfectly matches the speed of light, which is 299,792 kilometers per second. Is this a coincidence? Or is there knowledge we have lost? Some researchers have found strange mathematical relationships within its design. Ratios connected to the number pi, and dimensions that approximate the famous golden ratio. Coincidence? Engineering genius? Or something we haven't understood yet? Then the Great Pyramid gives another example of its precision. Its base is almost perfectly level, the height difference between its sides is no more than just 2 centimeters. In other words, even the ground beneath the pyramid was leveled with a precision that rivals what laser tools do today. Some believe the pyramid was never a tomb at all, but an ancient power plant. A theory suggesting that its internal design, its passageways, and the granite found within its chambers, might have served a purpose related to energy, vibrations, or even sound. There is no definitive scientific evidence proving these claims. But strangely enough, scientists themselves have discovered unexpected phenomena inside the pyramid. In 2018, a study showed that the pyramid is capable of concentrating electromagnetic waves within its internal chambers in a remarkable way. A discovery that reignited old questions once again. Was that intentional? Or just a random architectural byproduct? What's even stranger is that the Great Pyramid is not alone in its precision and mysteries. In England, Stonehenge stands aligned with sunrise positions during the solstices. In China, there are ancient pyramids in Xi'an that have not yet been fully excavated, some of which align with specific stars. And in Malta, the Hagar Kim temples, older than the Egyptian pyramids, show astronomical alignment with the winter solstice. Was there shared knowledge between civilizations separated by thousands of kilometers? Or is the human mind, in every time and place, capable of discovering the universe's secrets in the same way. And with every new discovery, the mysteries of the Great Pyramid do not diminish, they only increase. Hidden passages. Unknown voids inside the structure. And questions that no one has been able to answer to this day. As if the pyramid has not yet revealed all its secrets. Whatever the truth may be, the Great Pyramid remains something truly extraordinary. A structure that has survived thousands of years, through wars, earthquakes, and the collapse of empires. As if it were designed to leave a message. A message that says something is missing from our story about the past. Perhaps the Great Pyramid is not just a pharaoh's tomb, but evidence that ancient civilizations knew more than we imagine. And an astronomical tool. And a stone book of mathematics. And perhaps, the greatest mysterious machine in history, still waiting for someone to decode it. But the question that still has no answer is: was the Great Pyramid truly the tomb of a dead king? Or have we been looking at a living message from a past far smarter than we admit? Was the blood of Jesus found inside the Ark of the Covenant? This is what we will discuss in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get all new content from the channel, Behind the Idea. Until next time.